Today's a good day. Finally about to lower this thing after I don't even know how long. Probably I'm taking it to a shop because I don't even want to be bothered with it. And then we're gonna get everything lined, and then hopefully get some cinematic shots as y'all know I've been doing lately, and we'll go from there.
Put the SRT on here, pal. This ain't powered by SRT.
Yeah, it's
Price. Is that a scat?
It's really a Daytona, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
It's really not an SRT, bro. It's really a Daytona. Yo, bro. He had it in gear. Damn,
He stopped.
Crash.
That's right.
Damn, he stopped. To lower this thing finally. And that wheel gap. Damn, look at the leaves and shit.
You don't even take care of this junk. What's going on?
How am I clean the inside, bro?
What you mean? Can't
Clean
do
the inside.
that.
Not taking it to Gabe, yo.
What the?
So way easier.
Some shit.
Hey, but you getting it done a lot quicker.
Huh? That was so fast. What are you dealing with? Damn.
I was thinking about vlogging today as well, I'm not gonna lie.
You gonna vlog? Front's done, then we on the backs. Let's get it. Man, look at that dirty diff back there.
It's 4/124.
That's what I was about to say, move it. We'll be hooked. The fitment perfect. This shit is perfect. Look at that. Go ahead, go ahead.
It got stuck on the lift.
For real?
What was gonna happen?
Oh shit.
You gotta jack it up to get on the lift now.
Crazy thing, it's gonna be a little bit lower once the spring settle. Yeah. The alignment don't look bad though.
Just take it on the right, make sure.
Alright.
The guy up there.
Yeah, on the red. Damn. Fitment look crazy. No scrape.
So it's recording right now.
No scrape. Alright, yeah. Alright. First drive.
Oh my god! Hey yo! Hey yo!
It definitely cut power to again. Alright, let me turn traction off. Let me turn traction off. Let this motherfucker go.
Whoo wee! Yes sir! How you feeling,
Get it
man?
sideways?
I felt it getting sideways. That's good, that's good.
That definitely felt good. That's it for traction control. No wheel hop. No wheel hop at all.
I ain't feel no wheel hop. It was smooth.
Alright. This gonna be. enough room for that one.
I know. But the brakes.
You was right.
The brakes. The power is just ridiculous, yo. With every shift you feel it.
It's crazy because I actually got launched a little higher.
Damn! And that last launch, dog.
They probably heard me too.
And then we got my car.
Y'all about to see a video on that car real quick. Perfect. Thank you for tuning in. Finally got the Mustang suspension right. Then I'm gonna dial everything in. I'm gonna get this alignment because I do need alignment to get everything right and perfect. And then we're gonna do some launches in a closed course, of course, and show you how everything's looking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse the channel for more, share, and most importantly, have a good night.